How to sign up for Planet Fitness. I'll explain how you can do this on your computers and laptops at home or even on your mobile devices through the Planet Fitness app. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, etc., whatever device it is, it's the same type of process. So if you're on your phones, click on the App Store or Google Play Store, then download Planet Fitness. That can be the Australian version, the American version, it's all the same type of thing. Once you get on here, you should see a button where it says create an account, but if you do not like this situation here, then you want to go ahead and type in planetfitness.com, then click join us in the top right hand corner. Same type of thing on your desktops at home as well on the websites. Just type in planetfitness.com, top right hand corner there. Same type of thing where you click create an account on the app as well. What it will do is ask you for what place you want to go to, what gym you want to go to. So here, I'm just going to click on this one, then click join us here. So wherever it is for you, it will be the same type of process. It'll ask you what type of membership you want, the classic or whatever like that, with a few different options. Click select once you've got the one that you want. Then once you've done that, what it will do will come up with a page saying that you'll need your first name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, gender, address, zip code, state, city, all that type of thing, wherever you're from. Type in those details. Then once that's done, click proceed to payment in the bottom there. Put in your details for payment, and then that'll be the finished process. So leave a like on the video if you're going to do this, and subscribe for more helpful videos.